Hello, thank you for joining us. I am Tutor Nathan and as always, your virtual personal English tutor. In this video we will be talking about would, could, and should, and how to use them correctly in sentences. These are auxiliary verbs that people get confused quite often. We will be starting off with would. Perhaps Queen would like to start us off? Queen, are you around?
Oh, why yes, I am here. This is so unexpected. Right, where are we? Oh yes, about would. Ahem, when we are using would we use would for making polite requests like, would you please pass me the napkin? And we can use would for hypothetical or imaginary situations, like, if I had more time, I would sleep more. You can also use would for WH and how questions like this one, what would you do if you were the queen? And lastly you can use would for questions like this, would you like to be queen one day? I hope that clears things up about how to use would.
Yes, Queen, you did an excellent job, thank you. Now on to could. We can use could in possibilities such as, this crown could be Queen's. We can also use could to make polite requests like this, I need to get off at this bus stop, could you please move out of my way, and that is how we mainly use could. Queen, would you like to tell us about should?
Oh, I would absolutely love to tell us about should. We use should to ask questions like this one, should we stop and get a bite to eat? And we can also use should to make an obligation to someone else like this, you should go watch that TV series, it is very good, and for something that is more than likely to happen, like this sentence, this should be a good video, because I'm in it. And that is all about should.
And that is all about would, could, and should. We hope this video is very useful and you will not get them confused anymore, and we hope you have a.
Ahem, don't forget about the subscribing and liking thing. Do you need anything else, Tutor Nathan?
No, I didn't, thank you, Queen.
Okay, I'm off then. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.
As the Queen reminded me, please like this video and share it, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider it. I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you and have a great day.